Hello, this is Darren Fernandez, and this is my MATLAB Projectile Motion project done with the app designer in MATLAB. This is the code that I have written out, just this portion. The rest is already done automatically with the app designer. So when we run it, it gives us this figure for projectile motion. The user inputs where he wants to start on the different axes, the initial velocity. Let's go with 500 meters per second. And then I used a slider for the angle so that the user wouldn't exceed the acceptable range of degrees. Start with, let's just do 45 and press plot, and it launches. The position and height adjust automatically. Let's run a different one. Let's do 50, starting at 20 feet and 60 degrees, and adjust accordingly with the y-axis starting at 20. Thank you.